Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that might just make you see time in a whole new light. We're talking about how melting polar ice is actually slowing down the Earth's rotation, and what that means for us and our trusty timekeeping systems. So, grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's explore this together. Segment 1, the Earth's rotation and timekeeping. Let's start with the basics. You know those 24 hours in a day and 60 minutes in an hour? Well, they're all determined by how fast the Earth spins on its axis. But here's the kicker, Earth's rotation isn't always constant. It can speed up or slow down, ever so slightly, due to various factors like changes in its core or even the distribution of mass on its surface. Now, when it comes to keeping track of time globally, we rely on Coordinated Universal Time, or UTC. This time standard is based on atomic clocks, which are super precise. But here's the catch, while atomic clocks tick away steadily, Earth's rotation can fluctuate. So, every now and then, we need to add or subtract a leap second to keep UTC in sync with the actual time based on Earth's rotation. It's kind of like making tiny adjustments to keep everything running smoothly. Segment 2, the role of melting polar ice. Now, let's talk about how melting polar ice enters the picture. Picture this, as ice at the poles melts, it redistributes the Earth's mass. This change in mass distribution affects the planet's rotation, much like a figure skater adjusting their spin by extending or pulling in their arms. So, what does this mean for us? Well, it means that melting polar ice is actually slowing down Earth's rotation. And while that might sound like a small change, it's enough to potentially mess with our timekeeping systems. Imagine having to subtract a second from our clocks because Earth's rotation is slowing down. It's a whole new ball game. Segment 3, the science behind it all. But why is Earth's rotation slowing down in the first place? Well, it's a mix of natural processes and human influence. Historically, factors like ocean tides and movements in Earth's core have played a role. But now, with the acceleration of polar ice melt due to climate change, humans are directly impacting Earth's rotation. Think of it like this, the more ice melts, the more water flows towards the equator, altering the planet's mass distribution and ultimately slowing down its rotation. It's a powerful reminder of how interconnected our actions are with the Earth's natural processes. Segment 4, Implications and Challenges. So, what are the implications of all this for our everyday lives? Well, for starters, it could mean trouble for our high-tech computer systems. You see, most computer systems are set up to add a leap second when needed, but very few can handle subtracting one. So, if we ever need to subtract a second due to Earth's slowing rotation, it could throw a wrench into the works of industries like finance and communications, which rely on split-second precision. But it's not just about the technical challenges, it's also about understanding the bigger picture. The fact that human activities are influencing something as fundamental as the Earth's rotation is a wake-up call. It highlights the urgent need for action to address climate change and its far-reaching consequences. Segment 5, Looking to the Future. As we look to the future, one thing is clear, the effects of melting polar ice on Earth's rotation are only expected to become more pronounced. With climate change accelerating, we can anticipate even greater disruptions to our timekeeping systems and our planet as a whole. But it's not all doom and gloom. Understanding the science behind these changes empowers us to take action. By reducing our carbon footprint, advocating for sustainable policies, and investing in renewable energy, we can work towards mitigating the impacts of climate change and preserving the delicate balance of our planet. Segment 6, The Mechanics of Earth's Rotation. Let's delve a bit deeper into how Earth's rotation works. You see, It's not just a simple spin, there's a whole intricate system at play. The Earth's solid outer shell rotates slightly differently from its liquid inner core, creating a dynamic interplay between the two. And while scientists have a pretty good grasp on how these processes function, there's still much we don't know, especially when it comes to the inner workings of Earth's core. Segment 7. The impact on timekeeping systems. When it comes to our timekeeping systems, precision is key. Whether it's coordinating financial transactions or synchronizing global communications networks, accuracy down to the millisecond is crucial. That's why any changes to Earth's rotation, no matter how small, can have significant implications for these systems. From stock exchanges to GPS satellites, countless technologies rely on precise timekeeping to function seamlessly. Segment 8. Historical context and future projections. To put things into perspective, let's take a trip back in time. Did you know that Earth's rotation has been gradually slowing down over millions of years? Yep, that's right. Back in the age of the dinosaurs, a day was actually shorter than it is now. But while natural processes have historically played a role in these changes, the rapid acceleration of polar ice melt due to human-induced climate change is unprecedented. Looking ahead, scientists predict that the effects of melting polar ice on Earth's rotation will only intensify. As temperatures continue to rise and ice loss accelerates, we can expect even greater disruptions to our planet's delicate balance. It's a sobering reminder of the urgent need for action to mitigate the impacts of climate change and safeguard our planet for future generations. Segment 9. The human factor. Let's talk about the human factor in all this. It's easy to think of Earth's rotation as something beyond our control, a natural phenomenon governed by the laws of physics. But the truth is, our actions have real, measurable effects on the planet's rotation. From burning fossil fuels to deforestation, we're altering the very fabric of Earth's environment in ways we're only beginning to understand. Understanding the connection between melting polar ice, Earth's rotation, and timekeeping is just the first step. The real challenge lies in taking meaningful action to address the root causes of climate change and minimize its impacts on our planet. Whether it's reducing emissions, investing in renewable energy, or advocating for sustainable policies, each of us has a role to play in shaping the future of our world. Segment 10. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of this fascinating topic, let's reflect on what we've learned. Melting polar ice isn't just affecting sea levels, it's also influencing the very rhythm of time itself. From the mechanics of Earth's rotation to the implications for our timekeeping systems, there's so much to unpack. But amidst the complexity, one thing remains clear: the need for action. By raising awareness, promoting sustainability, and demanding accountability from our leaders, we can work together to address the root causes of climate change and build a more resilient future for our planet. Thanks for joining us on this journey of discovery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content. Together, we can make a difference. Until next time, take care and stay curious.